Mark's tree trimming service.
I had 5 rounds left. I just blasted them away. I had a feeling it was going to go. You knew it was going to go.
Yep.
You got it on video?
Yeah.
Cool. Who needs a chainsaw? Oh.
Not Mark.
Somehow I just had a feeling it was going to go. Back to the camera, so we're going to have people do it. 20 rounds is all it took.
Got lead?
Yeah, a bunch of it. These are 30 caliber. No. Them are AK-47.
Hold them up here.
Your dad shot it. Your dad?
That stinks in there.
Hey, just call me Demolition Man.
Yeah, we got it.
If there's bugs in this tree, they're dead.
We pounded that target, man.
Yep. That's only one of about 50 that's laying around here.
Hey, can we chop this down? Dad.
That thing's got lead poisoning.
Is that on film now?
Yes.
Dad. Boom.
Hold her up here, Mark. Let's get a good look at her.
This is what you need to cut down trees.
There you go.
Yeah.
A Chinese-made chainsaw.